Welcome home to Orion, the new star of Pitt Meadows. This 82-unit complex features spacious floor plans, contemporary design, and a perfect location behind Meadowvale Mall. Spanning a comfortable 870 square feet, the free-flowing main living area is generous and light-filled, staged on warmly toned laminate floors and featuring a toasty fireplace and a wall of floor-to-ceiling windows that add to the feeling of space. The open dining venue easily accommodates family meals or dinner parties with friends. Additional seating is supplemented by the peninsula. The galley-style kitchen is functional and modern with ample wood grain laminate cabinetry, quartz counters, and stainless Whirlpool appliances. The covered balcony with glass railings is perfect for grilling and alfresco dining and adds to this home's appeal. The home also has 2 beds, 2 baths, organized closets, and a stacking Whirlpool washer and dryer. 2 pets and rentals are allowed. Close to good schools, shopping, dining, the West Coast Express, highway access, recreation, and entertainment. Comfort, convenience, and lifestyle are yours at Orion. Take a tour today.